Welcome back, everyone. Lean in close because today we're tackling a subject that whispers its unwelcome arrival into the lives of so many, the stealthy erosion of muscle strength after the age of 60. You know the feeling, don't you? That subtle slowing down, the way standing up from your favorite armchair suddenly feels like more of an effort, your legs protesting with a weakness that wasn't there before. Those stairs you once bounded up without a second thought now loom like a daily challenge. Each step a reminder of a vitality that seems to be slipping away. It's a quiet dread, a fear of losing independence, of a future dictated by physical limitations. But what if I told you that today, right now, you're about to hear from someone who is not just defying this decline, but is living, breathing, thriving proof that muscle can be preserved, even powerfully rebuilt, long after most people have resigned themselves to weakness? Imagine, if you will, a physician still actively practicing medicine, still walking with purpose, still treating patients with a sharp mind and steady hand, still writing books and delivering lectures, all while being over 100 years old. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's the remarkable reality of Japan's most senior practicing doctor, the incredible Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara. You absolutely cannot afford to miss what he has to share about reclaiming your strength and vitality. Dr. Hinohara, with the quiet wisdom that only a century of experience can bestow, immediately challenges the conventional narrative. "Thank you, John. It's always a pleasure," he begins, his voice a testament to his enduring energy. Most people instinctively believe that to combat muscle loss after 60, you must dedicate yourself to rigorous gym routines, lift punishingly heavy weights, or invest in a bewildering array of special supplements. But what I have observed, time and time again, within Japan's healthiest and most long-lived elderly populations, is a profound truth. Food, not solely exercise, holds the authentic, sustainable key to preserving and rebuilding muscle. He explains that you don't necessarily need a personal trainer or a complex regimented workout schedule. Instead, he emphasizes the concept of rhythm, a harmonious and intelligent approach to what you consume when you consume it, and crucially, how these dietary choices support the deeper, intricate systems within your body that allow it to maintain and even regenerate its strength. So while today's episode might sound like it's about one singular magical ingredient, Dr. Hinohara clarifies that it's actually about a symphony of 5 specific foods, each playing a vital role in rebuilding muscle in seniors, often without the need for strenuous exercise. However, he teases, there is one truly incredible ingredient that stands out, one he personally believes makes the most profound difference and comprehensively addresses almost everything your body requires. We'll be unveiling that powerhouse last, so make absolutely sure you stay with us for this revelation. Dr. Hinohara continues, "These are not fleeting fads or recent discoveries. These are foods I have personally consumed or recommended to my patients for decades. Their benefits extend far beyond simply preserving strength." He paints a picture of holistic well-being. These foods actively protect your precious independence, the ability to live life on your own terms. They are instrumental in supporting better balance, which directly translates to a reduced risk of debilitating injuries from falls, a major concern for seniors. Moreover, the nourishment they provide helps keep the mind alert and engaged. "In my extensive practice," he shares, "I have witnessed patients in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s regain not just physical strength, but a profound sense of confidence. This wasn't achieved by pushing them to exercise harder, but by guiding them to nourish their bodies smarter." He stresses that muscle isn't merely about aesthetics, about looking firm or toned. At this stage of life, it's fundamentally about feeling steady and capable, the ability to confidently carry your groceries home, to rise from a chair without a struggle, to walk without the nagging fear of a stumble. These 5 foods underpin all of that, offering what he calls freedom through function. After 60, this isn't just a goal, it's the very essence of a life well lived. Let us begin with our first remarkable food, Dr. Hinohara announces, fermented soy, specifically a traditional Japanese dish known as natto. He acknowledges that for many Westerners, this might be an entirely new concept. Most have never encountered it, he says with a smile. It possesses a unique, sticky, stringy texture, and, to be perfectly frank, it has a rather distinctive, somewhat odd aroma that can take some getting used to. Despite these initial sensory challenges, Dr. Hinohara champions natto as one of the most powerful muscle-protective foods found in Japan. Its secret lies in several remarkable components. Firstly, it contains a unique enzyme called natto kinase, which plays a crucial role in supporting healthy circulation. This is absolutely vital, as efficient blood flow is the delivery system for essential nutrients to your muscle cells, helping them repair and grow. Beyond that, natto is densely packed with vitamin K2, a lesser known but critical nutrient that helps ensure calcium is directed to your bones, strengthening your skeletal frame rather than accumulating in your arteries. But the real magic for seniors, he reveals, is natto's complete protein profile. Unlike many plant-based foods, natto contains all 9 essential amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of muscle tissue. This makes it a true game changer for older adults who often find it challenging to digest heavier animal proteins. As if that weren't enough, natto is also a rich source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that not only significantly aid digestion, but also enhance the uptake of nutrients from all the food you eat, essentially making your entire diet work harder and more effectively for your body. The texture does indeed take some adjustment, he concedes, but the profound benefits are undeniably worth it. I know Japanese elders who have made natto a part of their breakfast every single day of their long lives, and they are still vigorously walking up hills well into their 90s. Our second food, Dr. Hinohara continues, comes from the sea, sardines or indeed any small, oily fish. These unassuming little powerhouses are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. This is crucial because chronic inflammation can accelerate muscle breakdown. Omega-3s also directly support protein synthesis, the very process by which your body builds new muscle tissue. Furthermore, sardines are an excellent source of vitamin D and calcium, a dynamic duo critical for maintaining strong bones, which work in tandem with your muscles for movement and stability. A significant advantage of sardines over larger predatory fish is their remarkably low mercury levels, making them a safe and healthy option to include in your diet frequently. In Japan, Dr. Hinohara notes, it's quite common for elders to enjoy grilled sardines for breakfast. It might only be a few small pieces, but consistently consumed over time, it makes a tangible difference, not just in muscle tone, but also in improving balance, enhancing coordination, and even supporting brain health. Sardines also deliver CoQ10, a vital nutrient that supports mitochondrial function, which means better energy production at the cellular level, combating that feeling of pervasive tiredness. They also contain selenium, a trace mineral often deficient in older adults, which plays a key role in the body's antioxidant defense system, leading to better recovery from daily activities, a stronger immune response, and less soreness. Next on our list is seaweed, a food I personally favor. Dr. Hinohara shares, a hint of enthusiasm in his voice. It might sound unusual as a primary source of nourishment to some, but seaweed is truly a silent powerhouse, a treasure trove of essential minerals. It's packed with magnesium, iodine, and potassium, all absolutely vital for proper muscle contraction, nerve function, and efficient recovery after any form of exertion. Critically, seaweed also supports thyroid health. Your thyroid gland governs your metabolism, and a well-functioning metabolism is indispensable for preserving lean muscle mass as you age. Beyond minerals, seaweed is a rich source of unique antioxidants and polysaccharides. These complex compounds actively help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and also serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria. This creates a double win, he explains. Less breakdown of existing muscle tissue and more efficient buildup of new, healthy tissue. Seaweed also contributes to regulating hormones, particularly those linked to energy levels and muscle tone. It's anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and surprisingly versatile. You can easily add it to soups, sprinkle it on salads, or simply enjoy it soaked and seasoned as a side dish. It's a fundamental, deeply restorative food that often gets overlooked, Our fourth food is deceptively small but incredibly mighty: sesame seeds, Dr. Hinohara reveals. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants, rich in calcium and magnesium, both essential for muscle function and bone health, as well as providing an abundance of healthy fats that support overall cellular integrity. Sesame seeds also contain a unique compound called sesamin, which has been shown to support liver detoxification processes and promote healthy hormone balance, particularly beneficial for older adults whose hormonal landscapes are naturally shifting. Furthermore, sesame seeds are a surprisingly good source of plant-based protein and lignans. These lignans are natural compounds that help to reduce oxidative stress, the kind of cellular damage that accelerates muscle aging and diminishes their functional capacity. And they are wonderfully easy to incorporate into your daily meals, he adds. You can stir fry with them, sprinkle them over rice or salads. I often recommend grinding them to unlock their full nutritional potential and then sprinkling this powder, or you can mix ground sesame into miso paste for a richer flavor, or even use it as a nutritious topping on warm porridge. The flavor is nutty and mild, but the benefits are profound and lasting, supporting not just muscle, but also mobility by nourishing the joints, tendons, and all the connective tissues that literally hold you together. And now, Dr. Hinohara says, building anticipation, we arrive at the fifth food. The one I mentioned might surprise many people, the one that stands out for its comprehensive benefits. It is often sweet, yet wonderfully robust. You can roast it, mash it, bake it, or even smash it. It pairs beautifully with spice, butter, or cream. He pauses for effect. I am talking about sweet potatoes, especially the vibrant purple varieties commonly found in Okinawa, a region famous for its longevity. These tubers are rich in complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy, an abundance of fiber for digestive health, and a wealth of antioxidants. But more importantly for seniors, they are exceptionally gentle on the digestive system and play a key role in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. This stability is crucial, as blood sugar spikes and crashes can hinder muscle repair and growth. Sweet potatoes are also packed with beta-carotene and anthocyanins, especially in the purple ones, potent compounds that vigorously fight inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body. They don't just provide energy, Dr. Hinohara emphasizes, they actively protect the very cells that create that energy. They also help regulate leptin and ghrelin, the hormones that control hunger and fullness, allowing seniors to feel deeply satisfied and nourished without overeating. In Japan, many elders enjoy them simply steamed with a touch of sea salt, or even chilled as a refreshing and sustaining midday snack. They are sweet, grounding, and help maintain a healthy weight without any sense of deprivation. The resistant starch found in sweet potatoes also serves as a prebiotic, feeding healthy gut bacteria and creating a positive feedback loop for improved digestion, immunity, and recovery. Their incredible versatility means you can pair them with greens, tofu, fish, or simply enjoy their natural goodness plain. Their ability to satisfy, nourish, and stabilize energy makes them an unsung hero in the quest for longevity and strength. As our enlightening conversation draws to a close, the question on everyone's mind is how to begin. Dr. Hinohara, with his characteristic gentle wisdom, offers a simple, powerful starting point. If someone listening could make just one change this week, where should they start? Start with breakfast, he advises. Choose one of these 5 remarkable ingredients and incorporate it into your morning meal. Perhaps it's a spoonful of freshly ground sesame seeds sprinkled over your porridge, or a small piece of grilled fish, or even a few bites of natto if you're feeling adventurous. Let that simple act be your clear signal to your body. Today, we are building strength. But he adds a crucial layer to this advice, one that speaks to the holistic Japanese approach to well-being. And do it with intention, he urges. Sit down. Take a moment to breathe. Chew your food slowly and mindfully. Transform your meal from a mere act of consumption into a deliberate ritual of restoration and nourishment. This, he explains, is a reflection of how meals are often approached in Japan, and it's a significant contributing factor to the vibrant health and longevity of its elderly population. It's a profound reminder that true health is not just about the ingredients, but the intention and care we bring to nourishing ourselves, paving the way for sustained strength and vitality for years to come.